Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I will show you how to find out which DNS server your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer is using. It only takes a minute and you don't need to install anything. Let's start with the easiest method. Using the command prompt, press the Windows key on your computer, then type CMD, right-click on command prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. In the command prompt window, type the following command, thatconfig/allsept, then hit Enter. Now scroll through the information until you find the section for your active network adapter. This will usually say something like Ethernet adapter or wireless LAN adapter. Under that section, look for the line that says DNS servers. Right next to it, you will see one or more IP addresses. These are your DNS servers. They could be from your router, your ISP, or a public DNS provider like Google or Cloudflare. If you see multiple addresses listed, that usually means you have a primary and a secondary DNS server set up, which is totally normal. Another way to check is through the Settings app. Click on the Start menu and go to Settings, then click on Network and Internet. Now click either Wi-Fi or Ethernet depending on what you are using. Then click on your connected network. Scroll down and look for DNS server assignment. You will see the DNS server IPs right there under the network properties. And that's it. Now you know how to find out what DNS server your Windows PC is using. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tech tutorials. See you in the next one. Today I am walking you through how to fix it step by step. So first let's understand what's really happening. This error most of the time pops up because there is a conflict between 32-bit and 64-bit applications or missing system files like DLLs, especially related to Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables or DirectX. Alright, let's dive into solution number 1. Try running the application as administrator. Right-click on the shortcut or the executable file, then click Run as Administrator. Both simple, but sometimes that alone solves the issue. If that didn't help, here is the next thing you can try. Reinstall the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables. Go to Apps and Features in your Windows settings and uninstall all the versions of Visual C++ Redistributables. Then go to Microsoft's official website and reinstall all the versions from 2008 up to the latest 2022 ones, both 86 and 64 versions. After installing them, restart your PC and then try running the app again. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem. Now, if you're still getting the error, the issue might be with DirectX. Head to Microsoft's website and download the DirectX end-user runtime web installer. Run it and let it install any missing components. Again, restart after that. Let's move on to another potential fix. System File Checker, open command prompt as administrator and type sfc/scannow. This will scan your system for corrupted or missing files and replace them if needed. It might take several minutes, so be patient. Once that's done, restart your PC and try opening the application again. If the issue was related to corrupted system files, this should solve it. Still no luck? No problem. Another method is reinstalling the app that's giving the error. Uninstall it completely, then download the latest version from the official source and reinstall it. Sometimes old or broken installation files are the root cause. If you're trying to run a game or software that uses .NET Framework, make sure it's installed and enabled. Go to Windows Features by searching in the Start menu, then make sure both .NET Framework 3.5 and 4.8 are checked. If not, enable them and restart your PC. Now here is a bonus fix that many people overlook: updating your Windows. Yep, I know it sounds too basic, but sometimes the newest updates include patches that fix compatibility issues. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, and check for updates. One of these steps is almost guaranteed to fix the application was unable to start correctly error unless there is a deeper issue with the app itself. If none of these work, feel free to drop a comment below with the app name and Windows version, and I will try to help you personally. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and share it with someone who might need it. Take care and see you in the next one.